This video is about how to assemble the stand that comes with the Amazing Amp Pro. You've got two pieces. We'll call the larger one the base and the top one the tube. The first thing you want to do is go to the tube. At the bottom of the tube you will see that there is a round ring, and with this round ring you're going to want to twist it until it's only a third of the way from the end of the threads. So move it down 2/3 of the way from the top of the threaded area until there's only about a third of the way left. This will prevent you from having to twist so much in order to assemble the stand. You're going to move next to the top of the tube. At the top of the tube you're going to see a star-shaped ring. You're going to want to move this until it is at almost the very top of the brass threaded area. Then you can loosen the collar and push it down in. This will give the inner tube some room sticking out the bottom so that both pieces can connect at the same time. Next is to connect the two pieces. So put the tube and the base together and twist them together until they lock against that ring. Now when you move up to the collar, you can loosen the collar and pull the inner piece to its fullest length. If you find the inner piece did not completely attach, you can twist a little bit in order to attach it the rest of the way. Unscrew the bolt that is holding the leg piece against the center tube of the base and allow the legs to slide all the way down until they get to the bottom. Then you can tighten that bolt again. Next you're going to want to pull out the legs so all three of them are extended. The last part to do is to go to the very top and attach the hanger bracket onto the top. You're going to want to spin the star-shaped ring down just a bit in order to do this, and then attach the hanger bracket, and the speaker will attach to the hanger bracket. Attach right onto the hanger bracket.